Early nutrition plays a critical role in shaping brain development, especially during the earliest stages of life. In this presentation, I'll be examining how early nutrition, specifically dietary fats, impacts cognitive development during critical periods of growth. More specifically, I'll be focusing on the role of omega-3 fatty acids like DHA in early childhood neurodevelopment. Early childhood represents a critical window for brain development. During this time, the brain undergoes rapid processes such known as synaptogenesis, which is the formation of connections between neurons, and myelination, which helps neurons communicate efficiently. These processes rely heavily on nutrition availability. As a result, our early dietary patterns have a direct impact on brain development and cognitive outcomes. In particular, dietary fats play a critical role in supporting these processes. Dietary fats are essential components of brain tissue. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, are critical for building neuronal membranes and supporting synaptic function. DHA contributes to membrane fluidity, which allows neurons to communicate efficiently. It also plays an important role in synapse formation and overall brain development during early life. In fact, DHA is considered a major structural component of the developing brain. Research strongly supports the importance of omega-3 fatty acids on brain development. In a controlled study, rats that were fed diets deficient in omega-3 fatty acids showed impaired learning and memory. In the first graph, omega-3 adequate rats learned more quickly over time, while deficient rats took longer and showed less improvement. In the second graph, adequate rats made fewer errors, while deficient rats consistently made more mistakes. In the third graph, adequate rats demonstrated stronger memory retention, while deficient rats showed weaker recall. Together, these findings suggest that omega-3 deficiency negatively impacts cognitive function and spatial learning. Similar patterns are seen in human studies. In a randomized controlled trial, infants were given formulas with varying levels of DHA. Infants who received DHA showed improved cognitive performance compared to those that did not. Higher DHA intake was also associated with better early brain development. Additionally, when looking across multiple studies in a meta-analysis, longer DHA supplementation and higher intake levels were generally associated with improved developmental outcomes. While individual results varied, the overall trend showed a small but positive effect of DHA on early cognitive development. These findings highlight the importance of including healthy fats in children's diets. Foods such as egg yolks, avocados, salmon, other fatty fish, and full-fat dairy products are all rich in nutrients that support brain development. Incorporating these foods into a child's diet can help provide the essential fatty acids needed for optimal brain function. Overall, early nutrition plays a critical role in supporting brain development. Including sources of healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, can help support cognitive function in children. Consistent intake of nutrient-dense, fat-containing foods is particularly important during early development. Small dietary choices during this time can have lasting effects on brain health and development of children. Key takeaways. In conclusion, early childhood is a critical period for brain development. Dietary fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids like DHA, play a key role in supporting brain structure and function. Adequate nutrition during this period can have lasting effects on cognitive development. Ultimately, early nutrition helps shape